Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unpack the hidden stories behind corporate filings. And today we're diving into Texas Community Bancshares, Inc., a company that has clearly been busy making some strategic moves. Could the company's latest move signal a shift in its shareholder strategy? Let's find out. Remember to join our Discord community linked in the description below for more exclusive insights and discussions. We're looking at a current report from Texas Community Bancshares Inc. filed on the 16th of December 2025. Now this isn't a quarterly or annual report, meaning it is for a specific event that happened with the company. Usually these reports are triggered by big announcements or changes, so let's get straight to what is newsworthy. This filing tells us about the company's stock. Their common stock is traded on the Nasdaq stock market, LLC, under the ticker symbol TCBs. This is where investors buy and sell shares of Texas Community Bancshares Inc., and it's a pretty standard setup for a publicly traded company. So here is the exciting part, the main announcement. Texas Community Bancshares Inc.'s board of directors has decided to buy back some of its own stock. They're planning to repurchase up to 144,364 shares. Now that might sound like a lot of numbers, but what it really means is that the company believes its stock is a good investment. When a company buys back its own shares, it takes those shares out of circulation. This can sometimes make the remaining shares more valuable because there are fewer of them available. This program represents about 5% of their total outstanding stock as of that December date. Think of it like a company saying, hey, we think our company is worth more than the market is currently valuing it, so we're going to put our money where our mouth is and buy some shares ourselves. And get this, they didn't just approve a new buyback program, they also announced they've successfully finished another one. They've already bought back 153,083 shares that were approved in a previous plan. This shows a pattern of activity and a commitment to returning value to shareholders through these buybacks. It suggests they are actively managing their stock and capital. The actual press release announcing all of this is filed as an exhibit with this report. We're not going to read the whole thing, but this is where all the official details live. It gives us the full context of the announcements made by Texas Community Bancshares Inc. This report is signed off by Jason Sobel, President and Chief Executive Officer. This confirms that the company's top leadership is aware of and approving these actions. It's a seal of approval from the CEO on these strategic financial decisions. Now, looking at this filing specifically, it's focused on a very particular event, a stock buyback program. This is a signal that the company management is confident in its future prospects and its current stock valuation. They are essentially investing in themselves. Historically, companies undertake stock buybacks for a few key reasons. One is to boost the stock price by reducing the supply of shares. Another is to return excess cash to shareholders in a way that might be more tax efficient than dividends depending on the investor's situation. And third, it can be a sign of a mature company that doesn't have as many immediate needs for that capital in terms of expansion or acquisition. For Texas Community Bancshares Inc., this could mean a few things. On the positive side, it signals confidence from leadership and a potential boost to the stock price. It might also mean they believe their current stock price is a bargain. On the other hand, it could suggest they might not have a larger immediate growth project on the horizon that requires significant capital investment. It's important to remember that this is just one event, and to get a full picture of the company's financial health, you'd want to look at their more regular filings like their quarterly 10Q and annual 10K reports, which contain detailed financial statements. In the broader context of the banking industry, companies like Texas Community Bancshares Inc. are always navigating interest rate environments, regulatory changes, and economic stability. Share repurchase programs are common tools in their financial arsenal to manage their capital structure and return value. So what's the takeaway here? Texas Community Bancshares Inc. is taking steps to manage its stock and return value to shareholders. The approval of a new stock repurchase program and the completion of another one are clear indicators of management's optimistic outlook on the company's stock. It's a move that could benefit existing shareholders by potentially increasing the per share value. We'll be keeping an eye on TCBs to see how these programs impact their stock performance and overall financial strategy. That is our quick decode of this Texas Community Bancshares Inc. filing. What are your thoughts on these stock buyback programs and what do they mean for the company's future? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more regular corporate insights. And don't forget to join our growing Discord community linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.